Okay guys, I recorded this video once, but apparently my audio cut out 5 minutes in, so I'm going to do it again. Let's look at the oil stocks today, and I'm seeing some bullish developments in some of these oil stocks and the oil sector, so I'm going to cover that. Before I do, if you guys are new, hit the thumbs up. I do appreciate that. It does help the channel. And if you want to look at my technical analysis and trading course, I've got that available. Help everyone to understand how I trade, what I see, and how I find these ideas. So that's in the description below. You'll see the link. All right, XLE. Here we go. Bullish divergence right here on the daily chart. So we've got divergence. We've got momentum moving higher. And as you zoom in, you can see the PPO is also bullish. It's showing bullish divergence. And we're starting to get a crossover right there. Equally, we have a downtrend line here on the daily. There's your trend line right there. We've just been walking down. And we are creating what looks like a bullish falling wedge. So in general, it's a bullish setup right now. And you're looking for a bullish breakout above the trend line. Now, we did get that breakout just today. If I go to the hourly here on XLE, you'll see that we just started to break out, but it's not that impulsive. That's the only thing about this chart that I just don't like. If we had an impulsive breakout, it would be a little bit better. So what I'm looking for, it is a breakout. So whether we do a back test or gap up, I think it's still bullish. I am looking for upside in the oil stocks. We probably have to get through the election, a day or two after that before we can figure out if these want to break bullish. But it is a bullish setup, so looking for a little more confirmation. But in general, I like this chart to the upside. Profit target right now I've got at 34.24 as really the kind of the sole profit target. I'm just going to leave one up there right now. But that's still a move, from where we're at now, it's still a move of about 15%. So I'll take that one if that's going to play out. CVX, I put a post out earlier today talking about this one looked like it was breaking out, and it's a bullish chart. So Chevron Corporation, I like this one. I actually bought some today. I went long this stock. For anybody that thinks I only short stocks, I just like to short stocks that have bearish setups. If a stock's got a bullish setup, I'll go long. And CVX basically has that bullish setup. So you'll see here on the daily chart, nice clean bullish divergence on the RSI and the PPO. It's bullish, and basically you can see momentum's moving higher while price was making new lower lows. So you can see price was just right there's a divergent low, which means that it's likely to reverse. Well, it did reverse, and if you look at the candle on the day, we had an outside day right there. So a bullish engulfing candlestick. That's a reversal candle. There was follow through the following day where we closed higher. So two, bullish days. And then we break out of this downward price channel. Here's your downward price channel right there. Just walking down this, waiting for the breakout. And boom, there's the breakout. So again, this was more impulsive. We're up up quite a bit today. So I'm looking for some more follow through. But profit target on this one, 75.93 for the first target, and then I've got 82.34 for the next one. Stop loss, I think if it comes back down and breaks back below this candle, a daily close below 69.06, I'd probably stop out. But for now, it is a breakout. I'm looking for some upside on this one. XOM. So I've been long this one for a little while, really since we started to put in this bullish divergence. Big bullish divergence right here. You see how we're just walking up. The momentum's moving higher on the RSI and the PPO. So as momentum is moving higher, price continued to make new marginal lows. Those are divergent lows, which have a high likelihood of reversing and changing trend. So we're starting to see, this was your breakout on XOM right here, and we did this back test over the last month or so, and starting to break higher. First resistance level really is this one right here at 33.72, and we closed above that today. Nice impulsive breakout, up 4% today. Looks good. So I expect us to run up to this 36.37. Probably get a reaction up there, maybe, dance around a little bit. Ultimate target for this one, though, is up around 41, right there. So I'm looking for 41 on XOM. I think that's in play. COP, ConocoPhillips, bearish rising wedge. We're starting to make the bearish rising wedge on the daily chart. We have bullish divergence in play on the RSI. Not fully intact here on the PPO. So we've got it on the RSI, but we don't really have it on the PPO. So that is something that is, that's one thing to watch. It's better to see it in both, but it is there in the RSI. Bearish rising wedge. You need that impulsive breakout to the upside. If we get that impulsive breakout to the upside, profit target on this one I think is about 36.01. And from where we're at right now, that's a move of about 18%. So still need to wait for that impulsive breakout for the entry or the trigger, but that one's on watch. Schlumberger here, I just popped this one open. Bullish divergence. You've got, see the divergent low, so you made a new lower price. This one is not the cleanest chart, so we're probably going to have to say it's something like that. So we've got this downtrend channel that it's been walking in. If we break, it's not near breaking out, but if there's a breakout above this channel, this downward trend line right here, I would say this gap fill is definitely in play right about there. So watch for a break of the price resistance. An impulsive breakout and close above would be your buy signal, with a move up to 23.44 as your target. So I don't know when that breaks out, but if it was to break out soon, it's a move of about 37%. I wouldn't take the entry until you broke out, and then really a close back in the price channel down in this area would be your stop zone. So this one still has some work to do. It's not there yet, but if the oil sector continues moving higher, maybe this will start to play out. USO here, we've got a trend line right about there. The upper end is not that well defined, so we do have to kind of keep an eye on it. This is the oil fund USO, maybe something like that. So you need to see a breakout above there. This one's got some work to do as well, but it's got some bullish divergence intact. The divergences are building. Really, we had divergence right back here on October 2nd, and it's just continuing to build. So bullish divergence, break to the upside. This one, first target would probably be somewhere right up around here. Up around this 47.34. So that, it's a bullish setup, but we don't have any trigger or entry. So the bottom line on these oil stocks, some of them are starting to break out. I like Exxon Mobil, XOM, and I like Chevron, CVX. I like those ones. Some of the others still have some work to do, but it's starting to firm up. So again, oil's been decimated, so there might be some real might be some opportunities for a bullish trade here. So I wanted to point that out and get that out to everyone. Again, if you haven't, if you hit the like button, if you find value here, and then if you want to learn how I analyze and trade these stocks and actually learn the skill set, $99. You can take the training course that I put together. I'm not really trying to, BS anybody. I think it's a good value. I kept it cheap, so it's accessible to pretty much everyone if you're interested in learning. So again, thank you all, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.